Hey everyone, my name is Ben, and today I'd like to show you all OBS Studio. It's short for Open Broadcaster Software because it's mostly targeted to people that want to live stream to Twitch and YouTube. However, it makes a really good desktop capture utility. And today I'm going to download and install it for you all. So first thing is first, go to obsproject.com, download it for your operating system, and open the installer. We can pretty much just accept defaults throughout the entire thing. And after it's installed, go ahead and open it up. So it's going to look a lot like this. The way this program works is everything is built on scenes and sources. So each scene is a group of sources. And we're just going to create one by clicking on the plus sign. And we're going to name it Desktop Capture, just for example. In sources, select the plus sign for add and select display capture. And just hit OK. So it's going to give you an option here. If you have multiple monitors, you can go ahead and select one. However, I only have one, so I'm just going to click OK. And if you would like to capture a microphone with it, click on the plus sign again and go to Audio Capture. Click OK. And then this window is going to pop up here. Under Device, go ahead and select which microphone you'd like to use. If you just want to use the default microphone, just click on Default and click OK. So to the right again, we're going to see the mixer here. And what this basically does is it gives you the ability to lower the desktop audio in case you're recording a game, so people can hear you over it. But more importantly for this video, go to the very far right and click on Settings. Under General, you can select your language theme. I prefer dark, and then select the Output tab. So this is going to allow us to change the settings for our video we're recording. For the recording path, I'm just going to leave it as the default. It'll go to your videos folder. And for recording quality, I don't recommend that you use same as stream. I recommend that you use high quality medium file size. The videos that you'll produce won't be very big in size, but pretty decent quality. You can also up that to indistinguishable quality. However, lossless quality is just going to be huge. It's going to take up a lot of hard drive space. I wouldn't really recommend that, but in my scenario, I'm just going to go with high quality, medium file size. For recording format, by default, it's on FLV. However, I do recommend you change it to MP4. MP4 is compatible with pretty much anything. The only caveat here is that if your computer just randomly shuts off, the video that you were working on could be corrupted. Anyway, moving on to the encoder. I'm going to use the hardware NVENC encoder just because I have a high-end graphics card. If you have a laptop that has an integrated chip or a desktop computer that uses NVIDIA graphics cards, you can use the hardware option, and what this will do is it'll offload all of the processing from the program to your graphics card, resulting in a smoother video if you really don't have a powerful CPU. But for most people, just go ahead and use software X264. It's going to be compatible with pretty much everything. However, in my case, I'm going to use the NVIDIA encoder. Click on Apply, and then go to the Video tab. By default, it should have your base resolution here. However, it doesn't have mine, so I'm going to enter what resolution I have. and I would like the video to be same as source, so I'm going to change the output scaled resolution to that of my monitor. Also, you can set the common frames per second. We can go with a fractional number, just 60 frames per second. Hit apply. And that's pretty much it. In the control center, you should see start recording. Click on that. And there you go. You're now recording your screen. You're creating a video with the audio. Once you're finished, click on stop recording. And your video file is going to be wherever the output recording path was. And that's pretty much it. If y'all have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.